I want to be part of defending people against cyber threats. Almost all aspects of our lives are at risk, and cybersecurity is incredibly important. I'd been working as an IT support technician for 6 years when I decided to apply to Brighton to study computer science with cybersecurity. My lecturers are enthusiastic and specialists in their field, which makes the learning relevant and enjoyable. I love the informal conversations I have with them to get their insights, and having the freedom to explore aspects that interest me. The group work I've done has helped me see how people with different strengths can work to support each other. I've improved my teamworking and communication skills, and even developed leadership skills. I found some module assessments challenging, but there's so much help available. My lecturers are supportive and always around to answer questions or chat. After my second year, the placements team helped me get onto a placement at a local company who provide a low-code solution for API integrations, where I worked as a developer for a year. I treat studying like a job in the week, but in the evenings and at weekends, I have freedom to do what I want. I'm into climbing and bouldering and met a lot of good friends through the university's bouldering society. Once I graduate, my plan is to find a job in cybersecurity. I'll be happy to be part of a team protecting an organisation. I'd love to be in a position where I can share my knowledge with other people in the field. Right now, I'm feeling happy and confident as I was recently picked to take part in a security training programme at the European Space Agency in Belgium. I'm excited to keep learning and developing, and I can't wait to see where I end up in the next 5 years.